Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In today's video, we'll discuss how to add shipping costs to Invoice in NetSuite. Global Search Invoice where you want to include the shipping cost. Alternatively, go to Transactions, Sales, Create Invoices, List to locate the invoice you wish to edit. Let's proceed to edit the sample invoice. Go to the Shipping tab, where you can enter the shipping details for the item. Choose a shipping carrier for the invoice. In this video, I'll be using FedEx. For this video, I'll be using a flat rate shipping method. However, you can also choose from other options, such as real-time rates, by weight, by item, or by percentage. Notice that the flat rate was automatically populated. For real-time rates, click the Calculate icon to display the shipping cost. Let's now proceed to save the invoice after all the information has been entered. As you can see, the shipping cost has been successfully updated. And that's how you add shipping costs to an invoice in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.